How to download all Google Pay transaction history. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can download all Google Pay transaction history. So this is how to go about it. The first step is to launch the application on your mobile phone. Then move to the top right corner of the screen and click on the profile icon. Once you've done that, you're taken to the page where you see drop down menu. Click on wallet settings and click on payment profile. Then select the web browser that you want to use. Then once you've done that, you'll be taken to the payment profiles page where you can effect some changes. And then once you can see this, move to the top left corner, click on the three horizontal lines and here select activity. Then by selecting activity, you can see all of your activities here, your transaction history here. So select the one that you would like to download and then you can see the option download tax invoice. So click on that and then the transaction will be downloaded automatically. Now, if you want to download the transaction all at once, you can only do that by going to your Google account. So you can go to your Google account by going to your web browser, or you can just go to your Gmail account and then select the Google account whose transaction history you would like to download. Then move to the top left corner, click on the three horizontal lines, scroll down, click on settings, then click on the Google account again, then click on manage your Google account, and on the manage your Google account page, move to data and privacy and then scroll down on this page until you can see the option download your data, as you can see. So click on that and then you'll be taken to the page where you'll see the option for you to select the data that you want to download. So ensure you select transaction history, and then by doing that, you'll be able to download all the transaction history at once. As you can see, I have quite a number of things on my Gmail, but for you, ensure you locate that and you are good to go. Thank you for watching and have a good day.